Experience seamless streaming with the Hagibis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver extender kits. This device allows you to connect up to 8 transmitters to one receiver simultaneously, enabling hassle-free multiple screen sharing. With HDMI and VGA dual screen output, enjoy crystal clear, uncompressed HD video and audio with ultra-low latency, even when streaming 3D content. The many-to-one mode ensures interference-free operation. No Wi-Fi? No problem. Place your TV up to 164 feet away from the source without the need for Wi-Fi. The plug-and-play setup gets you up and running in just 20 seconds. Simply connect the transmitter to your HDMI source, link the receiver to your secondary HD TV, and you're ready to go. The device operates on standard 802.115 GHz, providing a reliable and efficient wireless connection. The HDMI interface is highly compatible, supporting conversion to other interfaces for versatile connectivity. Whether you're using a gaming console, laptop, PC, MacBook, AV receiver, or even gaming platforms like PS4, 5, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch, this wireless HDMI kit ensures a true 1080p high-definition streaming experience. Say goodbye to cable clutter and elevate your streaming setup with the Hagibis wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver extender kits. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.